So most people solve this question like 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, right? Now 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10, right? So now 10 divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P A M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 10 divided by 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So times 5, right? Now here we have division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25, right? So the correct answer is 25. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virati Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.